Got some new roses in. They don't have a variety name. They just have a type, so it's hybrid tea, and the rest of them are polyantha in different colors. Hybrid tea is like lilac. What's this? Purple. We have a pink one, a white cream one, and a red one. These are my first polyantha roses, and I only have one or two bluey lilac ones, so that's why I got this. They were €6. I don't remember, did I say they are from Lidl's? And I'm just about to repot them. I soaked them in a solution with seaweed extracts. The products were kelp 100 and Acadian. Each one has its own different. It's a Scophilum nodosum, I think, for the Acadian, and a Clonia maxima for the kelp, if I'm not mistaken. One it's for roots, to simplify it, if I was to make it like a Mickey Mouse explanation, and the other is for health and blooms and stem production. I may be mistaken on the second one, but anyway, I'm about to repot them now. I have 9.5 liter pots here. I recently bought them. The potting mix. They came in this. I think this is like what? Shredded, like wood chips, I think. And yeah, they came wrapped in this. I guess they're like ball and burlapped. I think that's the correct term. And yeah, I'm just gonna do them now and update later. That's it for now.